Welcome to another episode of Keystone at Home. Today we're going to be talking about an exercise that we use for something called cervicogenic dizziness, or dizziness that's coming from your neck. And what you can see on my head is a little headband with a strap with a laser attached to it. This comes from a company called Motion Guidance, and basically we use lasers to give your brain visual feedback about where your head is in space. So what we're going to do is going to be a test called the cervical joint position error test, which we're also going to use as a therapy. So the way which you do it is you're going to be sitting about 3 to 5 feet away from a target. You're going to set yourself up so that the laser is hitting the target when you're sitting straight. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn your head to the side and bring it back to center. And then you're going to do that with your eyes closed. You turn your head to the side, bring it back to where you think is center, and then open your eyes and then see where you ended up if you're near the target. You do it again about 5 times. And you want to stay within about 2 to 3 centimeters from the target, or as close as you can get to the target. And if you're doing that consistently, then your brain has a good ability to bring its head back to the center position. Now let's say that you hit the target, or you're way far away from the target. That means your brain has struggled to find your head's center point. So we use this as a way of training the brain to teach the brain where the head is in space. So you do the reps 5 times to each side and repeat the test over again 2 to 3 sets at a time until your brain has developed a good sense of that center point. Once your brain has developed a good sense of that center point, it tends to provide a good amount of relief for a lot of patients with cervical dizziness. And as you continue to work on that exercise and build plasticity in those pathways, then people will continue to get better. If you want to get a motion guidance kit, let us know at the office. We'll be happy to order one from you. Or you can check out motionguidance.com and they'll have those kits for sale too.